One tiny broken bolt could instantly destroy humanity's most expensive mission ever built. Out here, there are no hardware stores, no mechanics, and absolutely no second chances.
Every passing second quietly pushed the entire spacecraft closer to complete system failure. Then, one revolutionary machine quietly changed the future of survival beyond Earth forever. Tomorrow's astronauts may manufacture survival exactly where every unexpected failure suddenly happens in space.
Astronauts cannot carry every spare part because nobody knows exactly what will fail first.
Every extra kilogram launched into orbit steals fuel, space, and precious mission opportunities forever. Yet one missing connector can suddenly make thousands of perfectly packed parts completely worthless overnight. Engineers realized carrying warehouses into space would never solve unpredictable failures beyond Earth forever. The smartest spare part is the one manufactured exactly when astronauts suddenly need it most. Sometimes, one tiny broken component takes months to replace, millions of kilometers away from Earth. Waiting for another supply mission could mean losing the spacecraft before help ever arrives. Every passing hour quietly pushed critical life support systems closer to irreversible failure inside the spacecraft. Engineers realized survival depended on building replacement parts exactly where failures unexpectedly happened. The future of survival begins when astronauts manufacture exactly what they need, exactly where they are.
Then humanity tested the first machine ever built to manufacture tools directly in space itself. Layer by layer, digital instructions slowly became a real object, floating freely in zero gravity.
For the first time, astronauts repaired spacecraft using something manufactured only moments before in orbit.
That single printed towel quietly proved future missions would no longer depend completely on Earth.
But plastic tools were only the beginning, because the next challenge demanded manufacturing solid aerospace metals.
Plastic could fix simple problems, but only metal could truly keep astronauts alive in deep space. Printing metal in space demanded temperatures capable of melting one of Earth's strongest engineering materials.
Every microscopic layer quietly became a component strong enough to survive rocket engine conditions forever.
That single printed component proved astronauts could finally manufacture mission-critical hardware beyond Earth independently.
Then engineers asked an even bigger question. Could entire rocket engines be manufactured beyond Earth someday?
Unprinted rocket engine could completely change how humanity explores the solar system forever. Every printed component fits perfectly, because robots measure accuracy beyond human capability every single second.
Before flying, every engine must survive temperatures capable of melting almost every ordinary metal completely. The engine survived impossible heat because invisible cooling channels protected it from catastrophic failure inside. Now engineers imagined manufacturing entire spacecraft without ever launching them from Earth again.
The next revolution wasn't printing parts. It was teaching spacecraft how to repair themselves automatically. Artificial intelligence redesigned stronger replacement parts before astronauts even realized something had already failed. Autonomous robots removed damaged hardware and installed stronger replacements without stopping the spacecraft's mission. Every successful repair made the entire factory smarter for the next unexpected failure in space. Tomorrow's factories won't simply build spacecraft because they'll keep them alive throughout every mission forever. Before astronauts arrive, intelligent factories may already be waiting for them on the moon. Every wall, landing pad, and habitat could be manufactured using only materials already found on the moon. Autonomous robots could finish an entire lunar city before the first human footsteps ever arrive. These factories never sleep because robots and artificial intelligence build continuously without human supervision. The moon is only humanity's first factory, because Mars will demand something even far greater. Mars is simply too far away to depend on emergency deliveries from Earth ever again.
Everything humanity needs to survive on Mars must eventually be manufactured directly on the planet.
Factories could transform ordinary Martian soil into habitats, vehicles, and the machines building tomorrow's civilization.
The first true city on Mars won't begin with people, because it begins with factories. Once factories build themselves, humanity can build civilization almost anywhere across the solar system, forever. Soon, rockets may launch only raw materials, because factories will build everything else in space. Digital blueprints could travel faster than rockets carrying finished hardware across the entire solar system. Future spacecraft could manufacture replacement parts before astronauts even notice something has already failed on board. Factories will become intelligent ecosystems where robots, artificial intelligence, and manufacturing continuously improve each other.
Humanity's greatest factory may never stand on Earth, because its future belongs among the stars forever.
One day, humanity may stop launching spacecraft, because we will build them directly in space instead. Every printed section removes another impossible barrier between humanity and permanent life beyond our home planet.
Entire orbital shipyards could eventually replace every traditional launch facility built across Earth forever.
Factories beyond Earth could manufacture everything explorers need before every future mission even begins.
Humanity's greatest manufacturing revolution has already begun, silently above our heads, every single day.
Humanity's future won't be launched from Earth, because it will be manufactured across space itself forever.
Every new factory beyond Earth brings humanity one step closer to becoming a true spacefaring civilization forever.
Tomorrow's explorers may discover entire factories already waiting long before the first human arrives there.
Every civilization is remembered by what it builds, and humanity's greatest creation still lies ahead.
The next chapter of human history won't be discovered, because humanity will manufacture its own destiny among the stars.